Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am back with another video, but today is a little DIY video. I am trying to do a coffee table tray. I had this picture. So I had this picture frame and then it just broke. Like all the mirrors are gone out of it and my daughter picture won't stay in it. So this is still very good. I don't want to throw it out. So I went on YouTube and watched some like a DIY video, and I seen something that I saw something that is simple, and I just happen to have like all the stuff they use at home. I have everything in my house, so I was like, you know, because I got this from Walmart. I actually had two. This is the other one. This is the second one. So it's like this. It's 8 by 10. So this is the other one. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm gonna also use this. I'm gonna get another picture frame for the pictures because I want them to be like identical. I want them to be like a set, like to be the same color and the same size for both of the pictures. So since the other one's broken, I'm also going to remove the picture out of this, and this is what I'm going to use for the DIY. Both of them, I'm going to use both of these for the DIYs. Yeah, and also I got this from the dollar stores. These are like napkin holder. They come in this bag, 6 in this bag. So I have 4 bags in front of me right now. And I also have these mirrors from the Dollar Tree. I am going to use the glue gun. I am also going to use this. This is I use some of this on my TV stand. So use it. This is like a leftover. If I don't use this, I also have a gift wrapper. So it's like a mirror. It's kind of like this reflection paper. I might also end up using this depending on how it turned out, because I'm using mirrors, so it kind of like goes. So I might end up using it. It's just like gift wrap. Yeah, I've been using these to wrap some gifts, but like this is leftover. I'm gonna use as well. But yeah, so far that's all we're gonna use to do this DIY. So first we are going to remove the picture frame because we are using this as the base. We're using this one as the base because it still have the mirror in it. This one, the mirror broke, so we'll use this as the top. So yeah, let's get started. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna use this to hold for the back, to protect the back, the mirror side. So I am also going to put it inside the mirror, but first, before I put it in, I am going to wrap it up with this gift wrap. So we are going to, we're going to use this as the back, and then this is the front, the one that was shown in the front. So put this on the outside as well. Like this. So just go right in this corner right here, and we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Not here because the stuff fit. Going to do this. So if it's up to you, can do it like this, or you can also do it like this. It's also up to you, but I am going to do it like this, or I run it with the glue gun. So this is how it looks so far. Okay, we glue all around it. Don't mind the center. So we glue all around it. So now we are going to glue the mirrors in the center of it. So like from this way, the mirrors are like. Okay, so far it's heavy. Oh my, this is how it looks so far. It's actually very heavy. So we are going to add this up like I am back, and this is what we have so far. I told you guys I don't have straight hands, so here has more space than the other, but it don't matter because you're gonna put stuff in there anyway. So we are going to put this on top of it now. So we're gonna continue using the glue gun. I am going to put glue And then you have to do it fast. I have to put a glue, but I have to be fast because it will dry up quick. My window's open. Yeah, I have to put a glue fast because right now my window's open for some fresh air because it's so beautiful outside. So if I don't hurry, it's gonna dry up quick. So this is how it look, you guys, and this is how it look on the sides. So this is the finishing look, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up, and I'm gonna put some stuff in it and show you how it look. But it looks so nice. I am so proud of myself. It looked nice. I saw this on YouTube, but the way the lady did was slightly different. It just this and this, we did the same, but she did hers differently. And look, oh, it is so beautiful. It's glass in it. So I'm gonna go wipe it off. So you just wipe it off. And also remove like the rest of the glue from around it and stuff. So I am going to like pull my candles and everything, and I will let you guys see it when it's done. So I'm just gonna go put it on my coffee table right now. But the finishing look, you guys, this is the finishing look. And whew, let's see. So you guys, this is how it look on my coffee table. So look at this. Isn't that so nice? Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want me to make more of this DIY, just let me know, and I'll, you know, keep doing more of it. But I just do it for fun. And also, if I need something to my house that I cannot get and that is also easy to make, I go on YouTube and find a way, and then go to the dollar store, figure out what to get, and then I go ahead and make them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you guys have a great Christmas during this horrible time of the year. I just hope everybody having a great Christmas. Those who couldn't make it to their family, I hope you're having a Merry Christmas as well. And yeah, it sucks this Christmas is gonna be, you know, not like any other Christmas, but you just have to try to make the best out of it. So without further ado, have a Merry Christmas. I love you, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video. All right, bye.